in there. Hey guys, we are exploring Pretoria, and my goodness, we are here at Rietvlei. There's like a long queue and it's quite hot, so we're just scorching out here, but I hope it doesn't take too long. Yeah guys, so we stuck it out. There are about 5 cars in front of us, and yeah, it's been like 30 minutes because we're here anyway. We might as well, right? Yeah, closer to the gate. So they're rhinos. Can't wait to see rhinos, yeah? And cheetahs. Guys, if you're looking for a place to lit, check out 77 Game Reserve. I don't know what it looks like. Yay, finally we can drive. No, not yet. Cool. Guys, we made it. Oh my gosh. Patience is a virtue. Look at these views.
I've been traveling the world, so many voices that invite me to come back, and all the memories again. I've made this song for you to see you smile again. I can't.
One of the bird hides. This is so pretty. Cute.
Whoa, I made this tropical house for you.
There's some ostriches, but they're like down there.
Of all the places I've been, for me there's nothing like waking up with you. And I'm a little tired, 'cause
Chill it.
I've been traveling the world looking for you. I can't for you.
So this place also has a coffee shop and a tea garden. I'm just gonna show you guys what they have and how it looks. Yeah, let's go. I don't remember it like this. Here's the coffee shop. Guys, they have like a tea room in here. I think it's so cool. It's so cool. I love these windows. Oh my gosh, is this a typewriter? I feel like I'm just discovering new things. Wow, how interesting. So yeah, they've got a tea room and a coffee shop. You can sit and have food. I'm gonna head out now. Okay. This is one of the bathrooms. It's like a little hut. In Africa, y'all. Hello, hello, hello. Just entering a bird hide. Guys, it stinks. Ugh. The water stinks, man. Stinky, stinky. We've been really fortunate that the bird hides that we find don't have like people, so it's quite nice. Yeah. Here we go. It's supposed to be quiet. Hello, it's been such a pretty day. This is nice driving around and seeing the animals. There's also like a braai picnic area, but I think it's closed due to COVID, so they're not letting people have picnics and stuff at the moment. But you know, when times are usually good, you can actually just go sit and, you know, come with your family or your friends and just have a nice chill spot by the, I think it's like a lake slash river type thing going on. So you can actually just sit and that's the view and it's really pretty. So yeah, maybe later on you can come through and do that. It's a really cool place for like a nice day out, especially like now. The sun was like featuring today. It's been a while since I actually felt like summer's coming back. Rietvlei is not far from the city and it's like quite an easy drive from Johannesburg, so that's pretty awesome. And if like you don't come with your own food, you can also just stop by the coffee shop. There's like a nice cute little restaurant which I showed you guys. You can grab a bite to eat there. They have drinks, juice and all that stuff, so you're basically covered and all your needs are here. It's not my first time coming here. Today was a lot busier, but I always enjoy myself when I'm here. It's just nice to like get out the house and just breathe in some fresh air. Like, that is my vibe. You guys know this. Yeah. Thank you for watching and spending the day with me. I hope you also had a good time, and I'll see you guys in my next video. For the people who are new here, please click on subscribe so you can see more of my content and more of the places we're gonna explore. Bye.